How to add discount price on Shopify easily. Adding discount prices on Shopify allows you to attract customers, boost sales, and create promotional campaigns effortlessly. Now here is how we are going to get that done. Now in here in my store right now, as you can see, we have a discount option here. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one. And as you can see, I have already added this 10% off discount. Now what I'm going to do now is basically create a new discount. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one here. And then there are several options here. We have amount off products, buy X and then get Y, and then amount off from an order, and then we also have a free shipping discount here. So go ahead and choose whichever you are going to use. So for this video example, I'm going to go ahead and use product discount. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one here, and then you have an automatic discount or a discount code. If you want to generate a random code, you can just go ahead and click this one just like so. If you want an automatic discount, you can just go ahead and put that there. So yeah, there are options here. Now earlier I have named that one holiday discount. Now I'm going to go ahead and name this one, say for example, back to school discount. Or yeah, just like that, back to school. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Now you have here a discount value, so you are going to either choose between a percentage or fixed amount. So percentage, for example, say you're going to put this 20% off, you can definitely do that. Or you can also go ahead and choose a fixed amount. So say for example, the amount of discount I want is 50, I can definitely put that there. And then you can click this one here to choose between applying it to a specific collection or specific product. So if you already have a collection and you want all of those collections to have the discount, then go ahead and choose this one, and then you're going to go ahead and search for your collection down here. You can also click this one here in order for you to browse it. Now say for example this one, I'm going to add it. Alright, as you can see, we have it there already. And then it says here, only apply discount once per order. So go ahead and make sure this is checked. Now, we have the minimum purchase requirements. Go ahead and try to choose whichever you want. We have customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, combinations, as well as active dates. Go ahead and fill in all of those important information. And once you're done, just go ahead and click the save discount. Or yeah, we have to put this one here, minimum purchase amount. So we're going to go ahead and choose no minimum requirements and then click save discount. As you can see, our back to school was already created. Now click discounts and you should see it in here. So yep, that is how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to add discount price on Shopify easily. And as always everybody, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.